Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Today I've come up with another exciting experiment for you. We are working with sink and float today. For the experiment, we need something, of course, like every time. We need an empty bowl, a jug that has some water, a towel to wipe off any water droplets or small objects, and some objects made up of natural material that can sink and float. To start off the activity, you need water in the bowl or in the jug. If you don't have a pitcher, then you can directly pour the water in the bowl with the help of the child. Or if you have a nice pitcher, then you can also involve your child while filling up the jug. One more thing is for this, because it's a water-based activity, so we need a plastic mat. In my case, I don't have the plastic mat at home, so that's why I put the tissue paper, but we definitely recommend you to use the plastic mat so that it will be reusable. Okay, so let's start our activity. I'm going to pour some water from the jug into the bowl. Make sure that you pour enough water into the bowl so that the child can see the difference between the floating objects and the sinking objects. I might put it outside. All right. Okay, so I'm going to start putting the objects into the bowl. I might start with something that can sink. Let's put this nut. What is this? Nut. Yes. Let's put this nut into the bowl and let's see what happens. Oh, it just sunk. See? Okay, let me take this out. Let me wipe it. Okay, so this time let's try this. You can ask the child, what is this? He might say it's a cork. Let's see what's gonna happen. Can you see? It's floating. It didn't sink. So let's take it out. So you can wipe this again and then put it separately. So the things that can sink, you can highlight it to the child that we're going to put them here, and the one that floats, we can put them here. Okay, so let's try this nice little spoon and let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, it sunk. So you take it out again, wipe it, and then where should we put it this time? This side, right? Okay. So in this way, you can introduce all the objects to the child one by one. While you're dropping the object in the water, pause for a while so that the child can observe it well. Once you've shown this activity, then you can also offer the activity to the child and he can do it as long as he wants. So when you see or when you observe your child doing this sink and float activity very well, so you might need to add variation to it to keep it exciting for him. So you can come up with the labels that says sink, and the other ones can say float. You can laminate it as well or plastic coat it, and then you can continue the activity with the labels. So in this way, you can set up the labels. You can introduce the label to the child. This one says sink and this one says float, and the things, and then you start putting the objects one by one and observe with the child whether it's sink or float. And then you can tell the child the objects that are sinking in the bowl we can put them here, and the one that are floating, we can put them here. So you will continue the same thing with the rest of the objects. I hope that you like today's activities. Please feel free to post any queries you have or any confusion. We're always here to take your queries and answer you according to your needs. Take care. Have a good day. Bye bye.